Hello friends, welcome to the channel Tips and Tricks. Friends, if you are searching for best pre-workout supplement, then this video is for you. In this video, I have shared the list of top 7 best pre-workout supplements in India. Pre-workout supplements are designed to support increased energy, focus and endurance in the gym. When you feel like hitting the hay instead of gym, grab one of these top-selling high-quality pre-workout to get moving and destroy your workout. So let's start the video, and here is the list of top 7 best pre-workout supplements in India. All the supplements are available online. Please check description for current price and discount. If you are new to our channel, then please like the video and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe.